man. Some blogger I am, man. I literally have a issue right now. I hope it's fixed. I really do hope it's fixed. But I've been having a mass airflow sensor error ever since I put this intakes on. And, you know, I got this little scanner tool right now. I'm about to scan my code. Oh, 0. Okay. I guess that's good. So really no issues right now. K-band. Well, that's good. Oh, got a K-band. That must be at the store I'm at. Anyway, but so far, the car's been running okay. Fine, actually. I cleaned the mass airflow sensors with the cleaner. Let it sit for about like 2 hours, and I just reinstalled my the sensors and the mass airflow sensors and everything on the intakes, and give it a little drive. So hopefully everything's good to go. Hopefully, man. Because right now we are currently, if we fix this situation, we can go forward with the tune, with the race box, and we should be in there, y'all. You know, race box, tune. Who doesn't want to see those things, you know? Because I know I fucking do. You know, that's pretty nice of this woman. I would have went too, man. But I'm glad I didn't. That car would have fucked me up. Anyway, it's riding good. No issues. Tripping. Straight tripping. Running pretty good. Alright. So we finna give this thing a shot. Alright, turn the AC off. Turn this traction control off. Make sure, man. Make sure. You know what I'm saying? Like they say, hold it for like 30 seconds or something. Will it flash? Who fucking knows? Anyway. My bad, brother. While you're bullshitting, people ready to go. Alright, cool. Alright, let's see. Damn. Yo, ever since my homie said something about these little ramps, these ramps that go for my driveway, I have not been able to get it out of my head. Like, bro, I don't need these fucking ramps, bro. I'm a man, bro. Go that shit sideways, you know, air that shit up a little bit. But ever since I seen the video, I'm just like, I need them, bro. I need them. But other than that, bro, we get them when we get them. Other than that, that's all. That's all. That's all, y'all. That's all y'all get out of me today. Shit. Man, I just got the Lexus back. Just glad to see Lexi back. Gotta do a little maintenance work on her. Just doing an oil change, brakes, and just checking overall. The reason why we had to take the Lexus back because mainly it had the rear end damage. They fixed the bumper. Bumper looks good. With the back to normal. Other than that, just little things I gotta do, man. This is the wife's car now, and the wife see me doing things to this joker over here, and she's feeling like, you don't show my car no love, so I'm gonna show her some love. We got some special things coming for her, and a touch up. So stay tuned. Whew. Man, it's been a minute since I've seen this right here. That beefy 3.5 liter V6. Man, this whole time, I thought it was like a 3.8, but it's only a 3.5. But it's fucking magical. Dang, I gotta clean this engine bay. I would like to say this engine bay looks way, way less confusing than my engine bay. Hands down. Man, things that I do for my wife, man. But this no shit. This is some husband shit, right? You gotta do this. When the wife say, something wrong with her car, that don't mean take it to another man, fix it. You gotta fix it. Cause you a man. But if you got that money, go ahead get it. Go ahead pay somebody else to do it. Pretty sure they'll fix something else. Yeah. Fix more than just that car. Let me stop. Nah. Just do some regular maintenance. Oh, God. Cadaro. It's always a good time when Cadaro's here. Look out. Hey. Golly. Man, you might just leave this. In my garage, man. No, I don't want the payment. Ain't nothing like Cadaro popping open that box. What's in there? What's in the box? What's in the box? So,
Got me a nice lanyard.
What intake is this again?
That's a pure rail. Full air intake.
Oh. Damn.
Everything's inside. Like the
shit.
intake filter.
Oh man, no wonder why you wanted me to help you with this. I'm confused.
I mean, I don't look that hard, honestly.
Does it come with instructions, sir?
No, we're gonna have to YouTube it.
You for real?
Yes. 100%.
YouTube?
Yes. But I asked the community and they said it's pretty straightforward.
Yeah, it looks straightforward. Oh, you got a sticker? You gonna put that sticker up? Hey, you already know we had to watch a YouTube video to install this cold air intake. We gotta be calling, what you and Alex be calling the cold air intake? Y'all acronym? CAI. I saw on the CAI. When they was saying that shit, I was just like, yo, the fuck? CAI, what's going on? I am not doing a how-to video on how to install this cold air intake. I can't stand it. Just watch us do it and we're gonna make it happen. That's what's gonna happen. Type R. Gang gang. Also, Cadaro doesn't want to admit that my Type R looks just like his Type R. Like, look at that. Look at that bad. Look at that sexy joker right there. Ooh. Don't they look similar? Don't they look the same? Yeah? No? Cadaro's like, bro, if you don't help me with this damn intake. Question of the day. How the fuck were you supposed to take that off? Like, there, it looked like, I don't know. I hope that didn't come stock like that.
Dick
but
move, Honda.
damn.
Dick move.
But guess what? You trying to be a dick? I got some for that. Around that shit.
It has to come down, then up for it to come out
Damn.
into the inlet pipe. That's just crazy.
Oh, man. We gotta take out the mass airflow sensor.
Yeah.
Sweet. Bro. Installing this part was a motherfucker. We had to loosen the ECU just to get under it, just to screw this bolt on underneath it, man. But other than that, the worst part is over. Almost done. Sheesh. That damn Type R. Shit, it's your car. I don't got nothing to do with that. Hey, look. Shit. Yeah. Don't tighten up too much in that thing. Go pow! You're gonna be mad. You gotta take all that shit off. Extra suction. Zero vacuum leaks.
No vacuum leaks.
You got that. And you get it's like a cubby. Like you can store stuff here. It's like another trunk. Fire. Type R. What you think? What you think? All right. Boy. Whew. Boy, these gnats in Georgia, bro. Crazy.
We good.
All right, cool. You scared me, bro.
I scared myself.
So I was like, bro, come on, man. It was just an intake.
You just have to sit on it.
Damn, bro. Your tires are sticky.
Yo, can I go that way?
Yeah, go this way. Be careful around that corner, though. It's just blind. Can't see what's coming.
This will be running fine.
That boy happy? That boy happy? Oh, what the fuck is that? A rag. Yeah. Yeah, go that way. Ooh. You don't even have a blow-off valve, man. Go left, go left, go left.
Anything out there?
Be on my side. You can hit it this way.
That was really good.
It does. I like it. It sounds like a blow-off valve.
Yeah. That's that bypass valve.
Yeah. Dang.
Exactly normal. Where can I turn around?
Just a little bit down here. It's like a little cul-de-sac you can bust it, right?
My name is Blackstar. I'll surpass the power